Hi, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made some cabbage, potato, and caramelized onions. I started with cutting up 3 yellow onions and placing them in my crock pot, and I did not add any water. I then put my crock pot on low and I covered the onions up and I cooked them for approximately 20 hours. I love the way they turned out, and they made their own juice, and so I used the juice for the rest of my recipe. I used 1 large head of cabbage, and I used about 5 to 6 large red potatoes, and I brought each one of those to a boil and cooked till they was tender. I am now going to be adding in all the ingredients into this bowl, and I'm going to mix everything well, and I'm going to be adding in my cherry wood aged balsamic vinegar. You're able to use any vinegar you would like, but I just like this flavor because it gives it a sweet twang. I see I needed to use a bigger bowl. Y'all please don't judge me. Thanks everyone for watching. This video was inspired by Chef AJ. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. See you on my next upload.